Hello guys, and today I'll show you how to get the most out of your Garmin Enduro 2 watch battery. So let's get started. Here are battery life tips. You can switch to power saving mode during activities, but for this we are gonna launch an activity first. So press the start and stop button to choose an activity, for example walk 1. Press start button again, and then click on this up button to access settings. And right here, just scroll till you see power mode settings, click it and switch to any other option, for example extended one, and click this start button again. Great! Now you can also turn on the battery saver feature. For this, we just need to press and hold this menu button to open settings, but let's go back to the watch face first. So press and hold this button and then scroll till you see the battery tab. Great, right here, power manager. Click it, then go in battery saver by clicking this button and then turn it on by clicking on this status. And as you can see, in the battery saver mode, it can work up to 66 days. And if it's disabled, then up to 10 days for now. Great! Let's move on to the next one, which is shorten the screen timeout. For this, we would need just open System tab and then scroll till Display, select it, and then go in General Use, scroll again, and make the screen timeout shorter, for example 4 seconds, and confirm it by clicking Start button, like this. And also adjust the screen brightness to save the battery. For example, from 100%, choose only 70 by clicking this minus, or 80, just like this. And it will help you to save the battery. When you're done, just go back in the main settings like this. Now the next one, you can also use Ultra Track satellite mode. Just start an activity first. As before, we can do it by clicking this Start button. Let's choose walk again. And now click this up button to open settings, then scroll a little bit till you find tab More Settings. Click Start button. And now scroll till you will find section Utilities. Like this. Click it and then enable Ultra Track by clicking Start button. Now you can also use the Resume Later option. So while an activity is paused, you can do it by clicking this Start button. You would just need to choose Resume Later option from the list of other ones to save battery during long pauses. So just scroll using this down button and confirm by clicking this Start button. Great, just like this. Another option to save the battery is to choose a watch face without a second hand. And for this, just press and hold this menu button to open settings, go in watch face, and then scroll using these up and down buttons till you find correct watch face. For example, this one, and confirm by clicking this Start button and clicking Apply. Great, just like this. Another option is to limit phone notifications because they use a lot of battery. So for this, press and hold this menu button again to open settings. Then scroll till you will find this Notifications tab. Click it, choose Smart Notifications. And now you can change the content of general use, so you can disable calls, text, and you can also disable all of the notifications by clicking on this status, and this might help to save your battery. As for another option, we can stop broadcasting heart rate data. For this, we would need to scroll through the settings till we see Health and Wellness tab. Click it, then go in heart rate, and then disable this broadcast heart rate. Great, now it's off. And also, you can use manual pulse oximeter checking. For this, go in this Health and Wellness tab again, but now choose Pulse mode. And switch to manual check. Great, just like this. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.